Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and to another video. Now if you love avocados like me, then you probably love guacamole, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple but super tasty guacamole. I'm going to share some serving suggestions, the health benefits, and how to store your guacamole for up to 24 hours without it browning. So here I have the nicest, hugest, creamiest avocados, which I got all the way from Aurora. It was so good. Now, avocados are really good for insulin resistance, for supporting a healthy heart, and for fighting inflammation in both your arteries and brain. They have a powerful antioxidant, which is good for your liver, and carotenoids, which help with your vision. I added chunks of my avocado to a mixing bowl and started by mashing them up with a fork. It did not work. So I switched to a potato masher, and within no time I had the chunky consistency, which is just how I love them. Next, I have a lemon. Now, lemon is rich in vitamin C, which will prevent fat from accumulating on your liver, and citric acid, which can prevent kidney stones. Lemon is great for overall weight loss, by the way. So what you want to do is juice your lemon, then pour it over your mashed avocado like this, and then you're going to mix it up. This is going to prevent your avocados from browning up while you prep the other ingredients. Right here, I've got my red onion. Now, the phytonutrients in this bulb is great for allergies, for lowering blood pressure, for gout, for your immune system, and for decreasing the risk of certain types of cancer. Onions are also very high in vitamin C. After dicing them up, you just want to add them to your bowl. I absolutely love garlic, a lot as in. It has many benefits like helping the liver to complete the detoxification process. Its antimicrobial properties make it awesome to fight any yeast, candida, mold, and fungus. It's also a powerful natural antibiotic without the side effects and a natural blood thinner, great for lowering your blood pressure, preventing cancer, gut health, and an amazing anti-inflammatory. Garlic is a super duper food which you should just add to everything that you eat. Next up, we have tomatoes, which are amazing to add to your guacamole. They are rich in lycopene, which is a phytonutrient great for the heart. It is an anti-inflammatory and good as a natural sunscreen. Tomatoes are also good for your bones and have anti-cancer properties. After dicing them up, you just want to add them to your bowl. Now here I have some pink Himalayan sea salt, which is really amazing because it has over 80 trace minerals and is high in iron. I'm just going ahead to add that to the bowl and then adding some black pepper for flavor. Last but absolutely not least is my cilantro or coriander. Now this is great for protecting the liver against any heavy metals. What it does is bind to these heavy metals and pull them out of your system. It also has anticonvulsant properties and has been studied to deal with seizures. Now after finally chopping up your cilantro, add them to the bowl and mix gently to combine all the ingredients bulonji. I'm sure you have perceived by now that guacamole is an amazing salad or dip to include on your menu because it can improve your health. You'll have better blood sugars and fast for longer. You'll have less pathogens in your body, a stronger immune system, more energy, and less inflammation. There's lots of ways you can enjoy guacamole. I love it as a dipping sauce for sliced cucumbers, fried cassava, or just as is. You may spread it on your toast or eat it on your eggs and burgers. Now, if you intend to eat your guacamole later, place cling film over it like this, and this is going to prevent the guacamole from turning brown for up to 24 hours. I want to thank you so much for watching today's episode, and until my next video, may God bless you big time. Bye.